Sometimes prospects tell you, I want to buy once my bonus comes in. If you take that at face value, you're going to lose the deal. In this video, I'm working with real sales professionals to role play how to turn that stall into a buying decision today.
Hey, everything looks good. Just, man, I got a bonus coming in October. I'm really just having to wait until then.
Okay, totally understand. If you don't mind me asking, would you be interested in maybe paying later rather than now? Some of our financing options?
I just don't know if I want to finance right now. I mean, I'm going to be getting a bonus. You know, I'll be using that to get the windows.
Yeah. It's just, we're living in Florida and, you got single pane aluminum windows and, the sooner you do this, the sooner the project pays itself off. So if you finance it earlier, it's kind of advantageous.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to tell you is other than the fact that they've got a bonus coming, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close them on the bonus first. Then I'm going to reel them back in. Okay.
Okay.
So the way that you close them on the bonus. So, Matt, what you're telling me is if I was sitting in front of you in November when you gotten that bonus, you and I'd be doing business right now. I need to close them first. Mm-hmm. Then I'm pulling them back to today. Okay.
Okay.
And so the way that I'm going to do that is when he says, yeah, absolutely. Great. Man, I look forward to doing that. That's fantastic. And so let me ask you, if there was a way that I could go ahead and get those windows in now, and I don't need anything from you until you get that bonus, would that be of any interest to you at all?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, but how would you do that? Now's the time to bring it in. So I've closed them twice. Yeah. Now I'm starting to bring it in on how we make this possible without using the word financing. Okay. So, we have a trade partner that allows us to do just that. That's all I've done. Was to say we have a trade partner that allows us to do just that. And what's nice with them is I don't even need the money when you get it. I don't need the money until today of next year. I want to make sure that this is the easiest investment you make all year long. You got your driver's license on you?
Yeah, I like that.
All right.
Pleasure.
All right. Man, everything looks good. It's just right now we're waiting on a tax return. That's what we're going to use to pay for this.
Okay, I gotcha. How far out is that bonus?
The tax return, we're going to be getting it in, all right, let's go for the bonus because right now tax returns are over. So yeah. I'm getting that bonus in October.
Bonus in October. Okay, I gotcha. What if I told you that you wouldn't have to pay for the project whatsoever until the project is completed?
All right. When you say I don't have to pay anything until the project's complete, when will that be?
Typically, it's going to be, we're about a month and a half out on all of our projects getting completed, final walkthroughs and such. So it'd be closer to October, but what I mean by that is we work with a lender that offers same as cash financing with no prepayment penalty. So by the time that bonus rolls around, you'll have paid it off and not paid any interest whatsoever and been able to get your project done.
Okay. All right. So everything was good, but you made me think that I don't even have to pay for anything until it's complete. What you want to do is, so when somebody tells you that they have a bonus coming up, because you went the direction and you did very well, but that bonus is in October. So what you're telling me is if I was sitting in front of you in November, that you and I'd be doing business right now. And they're like, yeah, okay. Let me ask you, if there was a way that I could get it done now and I don't need anything from you until you get the money, would that be of any interest to you at all? So then I bring up the financing and I use trade partner. We have a trade partner that allows us to do just that. And actually, I don't need anything when you get the money. I don't need anything until today of next year. I want to make this the easiest investment that you make all year long. So again, it's how you roll through that. You did really well. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Nice job. Everything looks good. I'm going to be paying with our bonus that I'm going to be getting in July. But everything looks good. And as soon as we get that bonus, I'm going to be giving you a call, Vanessa.
Fantastic. So, this is price-based, obviously, for you and what you can afford right now.
Yeah.
We offer financing through the company, and I'd love to offer that to you and have you look at the interest rates and everything. Are you open to that?
I just don't know if we want to finance yet.
Between now and July, the prices will not stay the same. our cost of goods go up. As you know, they fluctuate based on the supply and demand. So I would really hate for you to lose out on what I'm offering you today.
Vanessa, it's good. It's when you start in on saying, hey, the prices they're not just not going to be the same. They're going to go up. A lot of homeowners have been to sales school before. And so they may call you on that. They may call your bluff on it. May. It just depends on the homeowner.
For sure. However, I don't think anybody I don't care what their background is right now, in this climate today, where we're sitting, Canadian American, you can understand this.
Absolutely.
Nobody can be certain of that.
No.
The 1 year guarantee that previously was an okay deal, maybe 6 months at this point, it may be 3 months. We want to honor our prices, but I don't want to be dishonest with my customers.
No.
There.
No.
So what
And
should
so
I have
here's what I would suggest is any time that what we call future money, we're going to kind of put the homeowner in a box. Okay. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say, hey, I totally understand. And so, if what you're telling me, Vanessa, is if I were sitting in front of you in August, after you've gotten that money, that we'd be doing business right now. And they're like, well, yeah, if I've already gotten the money, yeah, absolutely. I really look forward to that. I look forward to doing business with you at that point. And so let me ask you, if there was a way that I could go ahead and get everything done now, and I don't need anything until you get that money, would that be of any interest to you at all?
Yes.
Like, yeah, that would be fantastic. How would you do that? Actually, I'm glad you asked. We have a trade partner that allows us to do just that. That all I need is you're okay right now. And I don't need anything until you get Actually, I don't need anything when you get the money. I don't need anything until today of next year.
So it's like a contract.
Yeah. So it's what we call a 12-month no-no. No interest, no payment for 12 months.
Okay.
And so
I've never heard of it.
your business may or may not offer that.
We don't, as far as I know.
Okay.
We don't, but that's kind of cool as long as things don't really change.
Quick pause. If you're getting value from these live objection role plays and you want to practice them yourself, we use the pivot point cards to make it real. You can grab your own set with the link down in the description and start role playing just like this with your team. Now let's get right back to it.
It's good. I've got a bonus coming.
You got a bonus coming?
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. Okay. Is this something when you get the bonus you want to pay full cash for, or are you just totally opposed to financing?
No, I mean, we're just waiting for a bonus to come in. I'd rather pay cash.
You'd rather pay cash? When's that bonus coming in?
Sometime in October.
Sometime in October, so we're waiting about a month and a half for that?
Yeah.
Gotcha. I was just wondering, is it really you're wanting to look for lower prices, or just our value is good and you love the product, you love the company, you just need the money?
Yeah, everything's good. I just got to wait for that bonus, but man, we
Gotcha.
can't wait to do business with you.
Gotcha. So is it something where you're willing to sign up for us, get it on the schedule, and then we can just wait for the bonus to come in for you to pay the rest of the amount?
I want to do that. I mean, we'll give you a call when we got that bonus ready to do. Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. I'm just sitting here kind of thinking, if you love the company, you love the price, and you love the product,
yes.
I mean, it just seems like something where we could get this thing set on the schedule, and as soon as that money rolls in, you can pay us.
I mean, we're not shopping anymore. You're the guy, man. You're the guy.
I'm not understanding here, because if we've got the price all set.
As soon as that money comes in, you're the first person I'm going to call.
It's just
All right. Here's the thing. We're gonna put them in a box. We're gonna lock the box. Okay.
Okay.
So when they said that there's a bonus, and you asked when is it coming,
Yeah.
it's good.
Yeah.
When they said October, okay. So what you're telling me is that if I was sitting in front of you in November and you'd gotten that bonus, what you're telling me is that we'd be doing business right now. I'm putting them in the box right now.
Yeah.
And they're like, yeah, we're gonna lock this box now. When I asked them, I said, okay. So let's just say that there was a way that I could go ahead and we get this thing done now, and I don't need anything from you until you get that money. Would that be an option for you?
Yeah.
Would that be something of interest? And they're like, well, yeah, but how would you do that? We have a trade partner that allows us to do just that. All I need is a signature today.
Yeah.
And I don't need anything from you until you get that money. actually, I don't need anything from you until today of next year. I want to make sure this is the easiest investment that you make all year long. You know, you got your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
So
Gotcha.
we're going to put them in the box, get them to commit.
Okay.
Then we're going after it, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So you
Gotcha.
you started going in the direction.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I like the way you were going, but for most homeowners, you're going to hit a wall every time.
Gotcha.
They're going to keep looking. No, you're my guy. That'll never call back.
Yeah. Yeah. They won't call me. That's, I know that.
We know that we're going to go with you guys, but we're not getting our bonus until July.
Okay, so what you're telling me, Chuck, is if I was here sitting back in front of you in July, that we'd be doing business?
After I get that, yeah.
Okay, that's awesome. Well, I appreciate that. What if I could tell you there's a way we could get this job done before July? You pay nothing down. If you could give me your ID, I can see if you can get signed up through our Consumer Credit Center. And if you do, you can agree to the terms that they give you, and there's no early payoff fee as well.
So you're there. You're going in the right direction. The problem is you're pushing.
Okay.
We need to pull, okay? And here's what I mean by this is because you're going right for it. And I know where you're going with this. So when you say that you're going to get this in July, so what you're telling me is if I was sitting in front of you in August and you've already gotten this money, we'd have been doing business right now. I need to get them to say yes. Man, I really look forward to that. Now, what I'm doing now is getting him to think that I'm going to actually wait until August. I'm not waiting for anything.
Right.
You know? So I'm going to make him feel like I'm waiting. And you're going to see this big smile across. Yeah, because he thinks he's got you.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I tell you, that is fantastic. Let me ask you, if there was a way I could get this thing done now, and I don't need anything from you until you get that money, that's the next sale I'm going for. I'm not going for the financing yet.
Who would say no?
Yeah. If I'm going to do it now and I don't need anything from you till you get that money, would that even be of interest to you? And they're like, well, yeah, but how would you do that? We have a trade partner that allows us to do just that. We can go ahead and get this thing done. All I need is a signature. What I'm doing is selling future money.
Yeah.
I don't need anything from him. It doesn't even feel like a commitment. All I need is just a signature today. And I don't need anything from you till you get the, actually, I don't need it even when you get the money. I don't need it until today of next year. I want to make sure that this investment is one of the easiest investments you make all year long.
Gotcha.
Yeah. And they're like, well, man, that's fantastic. Do you got your driver's license on you? You know, so it's really easy, but you got to walk them through this.
Slow. One question at a time.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Nice
Thank
job.
you, sir.
That's how you handle some of the toughest objections that you'll hear in sales. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you check out our live objection handling playlist, where you can learn to handle all the top objections that you're going to encounter. And of course, hit subscribe. This channel is where reps become top earners. Drop a comment with the objections that you struggle with most, and we'll cover them in a future video.